Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Today we're going to take our first quiz on subtracting integers. We're also going to try something new. You will take this quiz on Edpuzzle. The quiz must be completed today. Choose the option that you think is the answer. You will not be able to proceed through the quiz until you answer each question. There are 10 questions. Question number 1. Should we use KCC, keep, change, or add a line, change the sign on the following expression? Choose the answer you think is best. Question number 2. If we use keep, change, or add a line, change the sign on the following expression, what will it look like after we rewrite it? Choose the best option. Question number 3. What is the answer to this expression? -5 minus -7. Question number 4. If we use KCC, or add a line, change the sign on the following expression, what will it look like after we rewrite it? 3 minus 10. Question number 5. What is the answer to this expression? 3 minus 10. Question number 6. If we use KCC, or add a line, change the sign on the following expression, what will it look like after we rewrite it? -11 minus 4. Question number 7. What is the answer to this expression? -11 minus 4. Question number 8. If we used KCC, or add a line, change the sign on the following expression, what would it look like after we rewrite it? -5 plus 8 minus -7. Question number 9. What is the answer to this expression? -5 plus 8 minus -7. Our final question is question number 10. Which number sentence represents the following situation? A football team started on the 25-yard line. They lost 4 yards on the first play and then gained 12 yards on the second play. What yard line are they currently on? You are now finished with the quiz. Thank you very much for completing this today.